Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, my name's Andy from 1A Auto. I'm here to show you today how to replace the rear fog light bulbs in a 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To replace the rear fog light bulb, on the back side, you're going to grab the socket. You're going to turn it to the left like you're unscrewing it. And then you can pull it out. To replace the bulb, you're going to grab the bulb, pull it away from the socket, and there's the bulb. And that bulb is a 921. To reinstall it, you want to line it up with the groove in the socket, push it in. You can stick that back into the assembly and turn it to the right. And the driver's side would be the same procedure as the passenger side.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.